Hello friends, hope you're doing well. So in this video demonstration we are going to see how we can upgrade our CUDNN and CUDA toolkit. So currently I have let me just tell you what I have first. And okay, so currently I have built with CUDA 12.2 R22 compiler. Okay, so this is an old build. Actually this is not an old build but old I can say old CUDA version. And currently I just run this one software or one program, I would say, and one program, and it fails because I have the I don't have the latest .co file, .so file. So I need to upgrade my CUDA drivers. So like if you're using Miniconda or Conda, I also use Miniconda because I also use Miniconda. You can see the size I have. It is like around 15.6 GBs. So I don't use Miniconda because it is pretty heavy, and Anaconda is also heavy. So what I generally do is I build my environment from scratch using CUDNN and CUDA toolkit. So you can search it online. You can find many videos on it, and also I can create it if you want. You can comment it. So let me tell you how we can upgrade it. How we can upgrade our CUDA toolkit and CUDA drivers. So first of all, you have to go to the web and search for CUDNN. And this is the first link you got, and another thing is CUDA toolkit. So let me tell you how you're going to see what CUDA toolkit and CUDA driver or CUDNN you have to install. So first of all, head towards PyTorch, and like this is the most used library in the field of deep learning and machine learning also. So not machine learning pretty much, but in deep learning it is. So here you have to see what is the latest version they are supporting. In PyTorch they have 12.2 support. Like this is the highest version they support, and also the back compatibility is there. So if you install this version, all the things in CUDA 1.11.8 and 12.1 will also work. And for PyTorch, if you can go to this link, or you can directly search for PyTorch, and you can go to Linux and macOS, or if you have Windows you can go to Windows, but I think the Windows they don't support higher ends. Let me just see it real quick. Okay, so for Windows they have a GPU version for 11.2. So on Linux we are using it. So let me go to Linux. So in Linux we have the version support of 12.5 and CUDNN 9.3. For TensorFlow, and for PyTorch we have 12.4. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to install 12.5 CUDA 12.5 in my system and CUDNN 9.3 in my system. So with that I can run both the programs from both the programs which are built upon TensorFlow and PyTorch. So let me just directly download it. So you have to go to this. You have to search CUDNN on the web and to go to this particular link, and you have to go to CUDNN library, and you have to go to archive for previous release, and also for CUDA toolkit you have to go to the first link, search for CUDA toolkit and go to the first link, click on download, then go to archive and previous CUDA releases. And what we need is 12.5. okay, so we are going to install 12.5. 12.5 is here. May support 12.5, so this one I need, and for Linux I need x86 64 system. This is also available for Jetson, nvidia Jetson. You can search it. It's a pretty good system, embedded system if you want to use it for deep learning or something like that. It's pretty small, and it handles most of the task. So next is I want to install it on Ubuntu 22.5, and I need it to be a run file. Okay, so this is the run file which I'm going to wget. Like I need to install it on my system, so I need to download it. You can directly go to this particular link. It will start downloading it. If I go there, it will start downloading it, but I prefer to use wget. Wherever I want I can install it. So if I open my terminal, downloads, and I think I have this folder nvidia setup. Yeah, it's empty. So I'm going to install it here, and another file we are going to need is CUDNN. So for CUDNN we are going to need it was like 9.3. So this is the release, CUDNN 9.3, and go to Linux x86. So here you got Ubuntu option directly, but you can go to Ubuntu and you can directly select the local file. You can directly install it and run it, but I prefer to do it in a naive way. or I would prefer to do it in a more expert way. Sorry for the naive thing. Yeah, you have to go to tarball and go to 12. 12 means like CUDA 12 CUDNN, or I would say CUDA Toolkit 12. So go to 12 and directly install it. Directly download this thing. So let me just copy it and duplicate it here. So let's wait. When it's installed, I'll install both of the files and we'll resume the video from there. So yeah, it is downloaded. So let us just extract it and let's see what are the things there. So there is a one run file, and how we are going to run that file. Oh, first of all, let me just remove my nvidia thing. So let me tell you where it is. User share CUDA, or let me just directly search it, which NVCC. So it will also help you how you're going to locate it. So here is my NVCC located. So I'm going to go in this folder, user and local, cd user local, and I'll do just lsalh. So as you can see, there is CUDA, which is directly linking towards CUDA 12.2. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove that CUDA 12.2, and let me just remove everything. Okay, let me remove CUDA and all its subsidiaries, RF, CUDA. Okay, so I need permission to do that. There is one command, sudo, and the job has been, okay, not done. Yeah, job has been done. You can see lsalh. So it removes all the CUDA entries from here. So let me just let me just extract it. Okay, so how are we going to do that? So let me just open this location in this folder also, because why not? Directly cd to downloads, nvidia setup, and here is one there is one tar file. Okay, so let me directly show you the documentation of it also, because you're going to need that. So CUDNN tarball docs, I would say, installing on Windows, not Windows. We're going to need the older documentation of it. Documentation archive. Yeah, so let me show you the proper guide of it. I'll also link everything in the description. So this is what we need. We need a tarball tar file installation. So what we're going to do is we're going to extract it. So we can use this command, tar-xvf. So it is tar-xvf, and the CUDA CUDNN Linux. We're going to extract it. Let's extract it, and in the meantime, we're going to run this run file. So it is, there was a command there. It was sudo sh and the command. Okay, so it is extracting and it is also running. So it will prompt you for a few things. Let's wait. So okay, so the CUDNN is extracted. The tar.xz file is extracted, and also I'm getting this option to, like, existing package manager install Linux driver found, strongly recommended, remove the before continue. So you can directly continue it, no problem with that. Let me show you how you can do that. Click on continue, and you have to write here accept. After that, you have to uncheck few things. So here are the drivers. I don't need driver because I have driver, and CUDA demo suite, you don't need that. CUDA documentation, you don't need that. You just need this CUDA toolkit, and click on install. It will take some time. It will install it for you. And also let me show you what GPU I have. I didn't show you in the start, so let me just do it. NVTop. You can install this NVTop for Linux, which is a simple command, sudo apt install NVTop. It is good program. You can install it, and you can directly type NVTop, and it will show you the stats, every stats of your GPU and the CPU. So not the CPU but the GPU. If you have n number of GPUs, it will show you about those n number of GPUs, but I only have one GPU, that's why it is showing for this one. So it is showing me that currently I have this much memory I have, and this is my GPU hertz, on which hertz they are running, megahertz. 60.0 degree is the GPU temperature, 64% is the fan speed, and how much watts I have on my CPU, GPU total power, sorry for CPU thing, yeah. And let us wait for it to finish. Okay, so it has been installed. This is it. So you have to also add it to the path. I already did that. I'll also link that in the description. If you didn't have it, you can link it. Let me just nano to the bash rc, I think, bash rc thing, yeah. Let me go to the bottom of it, and here I have already added it. This is my path for LD library path, and this is the path export everything. So you just have to add this thing LD path, because this is the path where this nvidia search for CUDA drivers. So you can add it, and let me just close it, and let me just clear it, and let me just, okay, now you have to push this or copy this thing to this particular folder, which is user CUDA, user local and CUDA. So let me just go to that folder. Okay, so we are in the user local folder. You can see, let me do ALH. So here all the CUDA toolkits are there, but I need to install CUDNN or CUDNN, this SO files and libSO files, everything here. So what I have to do is, you can directly head to the documentation which I have linked in the description, and you have to just copy it. So what you're going to do is just copy this. Yeah, just copy all the things, because it is doing the regex thing there. That star is for regex, and no problem with that. And let me just copy it and paste it here. Okay, so everything has been set up. So let me just let me show you how it's going to look after installation. So you do reopen the terminal, or you have to just source the .bash rc file in the Linux. So I've reopened the terminal, and if I type here nvcc ---- version, you can see I have the latest one built with this. So let me directly run the program which I have facing, which I was facing issue previously. Let me clear, and let me just source the, well, I don't need to source it because it will run, because it has already been sourced. Let me run it. Yeah, so you can see I have no problem running that, because I don't have the model. That's why it is downloading the model, but in general I can run it, and it will run pretty fine. So yeah, that's it from my side, guys. Have a nice day. Bye bye.